Finding the present value of an annuity. This is the equation for the present value of an annuity. M is the amount deposited, R is the interest rate, N is the compounding, and T is time. So let's look at an example. Find the present value of an annuity valued at $30,000 to be received 10 years from today if the interest rate is 0.05 with equally monthly payments. If the annuity value is given, that means we need to solve for M in order to find the present value. Because if we look at the annuity equation, which is A of t is equal to M times 1 plus R over N raised to the mt minus 1 divided by R over N, and the annuity is given. That means we have A of t, we have R, we have N and T, and then we need to solve for M. Because if we just try to plug it into the present value of annuity equation, which is this one over here, we can see that we're missing the p-value and the m value, and we can't solve that using just one equation. So from here we're going to solve for m. So our A of t is 30,000 is equal to m times 1 plus 0.05 divided by our n is 12 because we have equally monthly payments, raised to the 12 times 10, which is our years, minus 1, and then all of that is divided by 0.05, which is our rate, divided by 12. So now we're going to solve for m, and if you want more details about solving for m, you can look at the previous videos. So I have 30,000 is equal to m times 1.647 009498, which is this value over here, minus 1, and then all of that divided by 0.004167, which is this value over here. So now to solve for m, we're going to multiply both sides by 0.004167, which gives me 125 equals m times 0.647009498, and I got that value from subtracting this one from this value over here. And now I'm going to divide both sides by 0.647009498 to get m by itself. And that gives me the value of m equals $193. Now that I have the m value, I can go ahead and plug into the present value of annuity equation, which is P of t is equal to m times 1 plus R over N raised to the mt minus 1 divided by R over N, and the entire thing is divided by 1 plus R over N raised to the mt. Now if I plug in the values that I know, P of t will equal to my m, which we just figured out, 193 times 1 plus our rate, which was given over here, 0.05. 0.05 divided by 12 raised to the 12 times 10 years minus 1. And all of that is divided by 0.05 divided by 12. And then I'm going to divide the entire thing by 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 raised to the 12 times 10. And now I'm going to evaluate this value over here by itself first. And that gives me P of t is equal to 29,969.47993 divided by, and now I'm going to evaluate this value over here by itself, which gives me 1.6470094998. Now when I'm using a calculator to find those values, I want to save those values into the calculator to avoid any rounding errors. Now dividing those two numbers gives me $18,196.30. And this is the present value of that annuity.